My name is Shri Narayanan. I'm a professor in electrical and computer engineering, and I'm teaching EE 301. In signals and systems, we kind of conceptualize this, from an abstract point of view. How do we characterize various data streams, like audio, like video, or generally other signals that we measure with sensors? The very first skill from a signals and systems class that students will learn is how to think in a mathematical and abstract way, real-life data and real-life systems. The knowledge that people gain from the class will be foundational for them to take on the next step to learn about advanced signal processing. ECE is a very broad and very mature field on the one hand, while also one of the most dynamic fields, right? It reaches every, across the spectrum, from things at the nanoscale to actually making possible things that, make us reach spatial level things, and everything in between. All the information systems of the world, right, relies on ideas, principles, and advances of electrical and computer engineering. Personally, it was a class that made me choose this career pathway. As an undergrad, I took this class. I was so fascinated by the beauty of the mathematical sort of abstraction of real-world signals and systems. So at USC, this is my first time teaching undergrads, and it's been exciting to exchange these ideas, share the enthusiasm I had in when I was taught this material. I'm trying to convey that to the students, and I've seen undergrads with ECE degrees go on and get PhDs in ECE, but much more, right? They become professors in not only ECE and computer science, they go on to become leaders, entrepreneurs, starting companies. So everywhere you look, there are ECEs. The advice I would give for students considering engineering as their subject of study, I would strongly recommend them to consider electrical and computer engineering. First of all, because of the rigorous foundation it provides and the breadth with which you can pursue anything you want. It helps you understand the world as it is and the world that we haven't seen yet.